up? It's your boy Fishing with Gil 519, man. Let's go fishing. It is sunny, a little bit of clouds, but it's gonna be hecka hot today. But let's go fishing. I'm gonna go hit up the Peel Up River. I'm gonna go a little bit more down because I don't want to mess around with the homeless people and stuff like that, and I don't want to get in trouble. Cause no good for me. But if something happens, then I don't know. But no good for me. But I'm gonna go hit up the Peel Up more down. Probably, I don't know, probably the first spot where I went. Try it out. I brought 2 pulls, one with braided line, one with the other without braided. And I was gonna bring my waders, but my wife took the other car. She took her car. She goes, "Oh, I could use the car yesterday, you know." And she took off. And my stuff were in there. I had to get different fishing poles out of the garage. And then my bag was in there too, so I had to find some extra stuff. Lucky I did. But let's go fishing. No waders today. Sucks. I'm gonna hunt you down, babe. I'm gonna find you, and I'm gonna take my waders and go fishing. No, but you know, let's go. I brought extra water, so I'm gonna get dehydrated. I know it's gonna be hot, but I hope I get my luck. Let's go fishing. So there we go. So my wife is going to meet me up here, bring my waders. So I'm behind the Fred Meyer and Peel Up. And we're gonna get, but shit. I brought this though just in case. Damn ass homeless people. But let's go. Oh, she's gonna bring the stuff for the homeless people, I guess. But there's one on the bike right now. Just scoping out probably cars and stuff. Look at, it's probably already scoping out the cars. That's what they do on the bike. They scope out cars. But I know I have an alarm. I have an alarm on my car. I park on the front entrance. But now I'm using this one with the Smell Pro. It's 8.6. So I'll see you when I get there. Pack of people, but I forgot my lures in the car because I don't have my bag. Dang it! I have to walk way back to the car now. Look at that. There's people. A lot. It's Saturday. Today is the last day because tomorrow will be closed. Then it'll be closed on Monday and Tuesday. And you gotta find out where it's closed at. So you gotta watch out. Oh shit. Man. I thought I put the hooks in my pocket. But I guess I left it in the trunk. Shoot. So now I am using my other GoPro because I don't know what the heck is going on with my GoPro 7. It takes, when I push record, it takes a long time to record, to turn on. And then when I'm editing my videos come out black. Like what the heck? GoPro 7, that's whack, man. I guess I need to go get a same one like I have right now, GoPro Hero Plus. Go back to the old one, or buy the black GoPro 7 black. The white is not that good, but I have to go back to my car. That's badass, right? Go Hawks, baby. So there you go. I got my hooks. I have weights in there. and all my hooks already set up. Yeah, I catch one. There's no place to fish. Man, these people won't let me fish right there. It's packed. I was there and I forgot my hooks, so I had to go back to the car, and now I can't fish. And then tomorrow is gonna be closed. I think Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then you gotta find out where it's gonna be open. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. And I was gonna come at 6 o'clock, man, but I was a little bit tired because I wanted to sleep late. People are catching them, but they're getting off. No waiters though. Still waiting. If I can't find a spot to fish here, then I'm gonna go somewhere else. It's packed because today is a Saturday morning. The soccer field, man, is going crazy. I passed by a lot of people. There's a lot of people on this river. I feel like going to try the king. Oh, look at this guy, got one right there. Oh, it's a girl that got one. But I feel like trying the Green River. See how that doing. Someone sent me a message to go to Domish, something like that. Let's see what he said. Here he goes. Catch reeds, damn candles, pants, oh, he was messaging me. I gave him my number. Oh, dang, I didn't even know where he texted me. He sent me a message. Huh? Oh well. Mark location. No. I don't know. I forgot the name of it. It's like more up to Seattle. Like next to Tequila or something like that. He told me to go there. Try it out. I don't know. It's too packed right here. I'm thinking it's going to the Green River. I'm gonna go check it out upstream. I remember someone telling me that there's a place more upstream that's like a big old sandbank that you can fish off. But I hope it's not packed there. If it is, I'll just go check it out. The Green River. But I'm gonna go more upstream and see. I gotta say that I might take off a week of fishing is because my wife, she has like a week off of work, and I'm just gonna chill with her all week. So I can spend time with her, you know. I've been coming fishing for a long time, and haven't been spending time with her. So next week I won't be fishing. Probably you would see me fish for a little bit or like that, but you know, I gotta spend time with my wife and my kids. My kids, they don't like to come fishing because they say it's kind of boring, but it's up to them. But I come by myself. But next week, but sometimes you'll see me fishing. Depends, because my wife is gonna go to California, go visit her grandpa, and I don't like traveling, especially taking all the dialysis in the machine. I don't like to go anywhere. I just like to stay close to the house. I don't know why, but once she goes to California, then I might go fishing. But alright, let's go to another spot. If that one's not open and there's too many people, then I'll go to the Green River and check that out. Somebody told me to come this way. Oh wow, it's nice over here. More better over here. Looks like a homeless camp though. But it says right there, no. It says right there, no. Damn, you gotta watch out. I know there's some needles here. Cause when you see that shit, there's needles. For fucking drug users. But yeah, it's a good place, but where I park, this is no parking. No parking for fishing, it says. Looks nice on this side. Just gotta find a place where to park, because where I parked it says no fishing parking will get towed. Heck no. So we'll see. Bunch of fucking homeless people too here. Lucky I'm carrying my knife though. Hope they don't break into the car, but I have an alarm though. Check out this spot. I don't know what the name of the bridge is. Right here, it's by the 167. You turn so you can go up to the Puyallup Mall. But so many fucking homeless people, man. You gotta watch out. Even when you're walking in the bushes, you gotta watch out you don't get poked by needles. Damn drug users. Underneath the bridge. Looks like a decent place to fish. It's the only thing, like, you gotta watch out with needles. If you bring your, I don't know if you can hear me, but if you bring your kids, fishing on the peel up. Just watch out with needles. They're all over. You can't see them, but if you get poked, oh man. I don't know if I should go fishing here or what, but I don't know where to park. And there's a lot of homeless people right there. This place looks sketchy. There's too much homeless people back there. I'll probably just go check out the Green River. If not, I'm not gonna go fishing today until Wednesday. Or I forgot, you know. Oh, once I hit the light, I forgot I have to spend time with my wife and my kids. But I don't know when she's gonna go to California to go see her grandpa. But once she goes, I'll come fishing. But next week, you won't see me fish, because I'll be out there kicking it with my wife and my kids. You'll probably see some videos or not videos, but yeah. But I'm going to the Green River. That's my last spot. Oh, someone snapped their line. But if I don't catch, if it's not good right there at the Green River, then I'm just gonna go home. There's too many people here fishing. Right here it's calm, but you know, I don't want to risk it getting my car towed. I don't know where to park. And I don't want to park right there where all the homeless people are at. Shit, they'll probably straight my whole car. Sell it for like $5 each, just to get their tweak on. But anyways, let's go to the Green and see how it is. Damn, check it out. Something happened over here on the freeway with two semis. They collided. And it's making the traffic slow down. This is the 167 going north. Wait. South. But damn, big old car accident, I think. Oh, the other semi collided with the other semi. Oh yeah, it did. It's got the back. Damn. People are trying to help. That's crazy. I'm right here at the spot. But I don't even know if it's open or not. I don't even know if it's open. I don't see nobody. I thought it was open because I seen these cars, but I think they're homeless cars or what. There it is. Let's see if I see any fishes jumping. Come on, no fishes. I don't think it's open. I hear people behind me. But I still got my knife with me anyways. Damn, someone was using a bobber? A bobber? The last video I was doing, the other time video I was doing like calling my weights bobber. Oh man. No fishes? No fishes? Hey Seagull, you ain't seen no fish? Oh, there he goes, son. There's one that jumped right there. It's not open on this side, I think. I'll probably just call it a day. Anyways, I have to go take my little girl to go shopping because tomorrow, no, Monday, she starts soccer. First day of practice on Monday. I better get to the other side before I get ran over. Before I get ran over. Oh, you know what? They fixed the... Oh yeah, there is people back there. There's like an abandoned house over there. Look at that, they fixed this place up. They put rocks. It used to be not rock, it used to be like a trail. There used to be a trail coming down right here and going that way. Someone made a little fort right there. Someone made a little thing to jump, but no fishes. I only seen one jump. I can't see because I don't have no glasses. Look at that. There's one right there. I have to turn the camera. There's one right there. Oh, you know what? The little trouts. Right there, a little trout jump. They're little trouts. I didn't know there's trout in the Green River. Oh, you can see here clearly. If you had glasses on, the water is clear right here. My eyes are getting watery because I had the sunscreen on my face and it hit my eyes. It's burning my eyes. See if I see any fish. See if you have waders. You come out walking over there. Wait, let me see if, because I can't see it. You gotta be walking over there and then come all the way over here. Fish right here, but I never been here for like 2 years. It looks like more logs came through. There never used to be logs. There never used to be logs right there. This one used to be right there on that one. Look at that. One jumped right there. Get him! Get him, Seagull! I don't know if those are fishes or a log. They're standing still. Look at that. They're jumping. Oh! Now that was a salmon. They're trying to get the leaves. Man, I feel like trying for the first time ever with the fly fishing pole. Bring it in and see if I catch one. But it's not open here. I'm gonna come back on November 16th. I think that's when it opens here. That's when I came last time. I think it was last year. And if you're wondering, I am by the soccer field in Kent. I know there's a good spot over there. I don't know. Let me point because I'm probably pointing up. There's a good spot over there. Way over there. There's some right here. And here, but sometimes you gotta watch out because you'll get tangled right here somewhere. I keep hearing people, like someone trying to break windows or something, but it's like the homeless. I know there's an abandoned house back there. It's all beat up, but there's people living in there. I don't know what they're doing. But that's it, you guys. I was gonna go home. It was packed out the pill up. Couldn't even fish. Oh, there they are. They're shooting paintballs. That's pretty bad. You seen that? That guy came out with the paintball gun. That's what I was hearing noises. I thought they were breaking windows or something. Pretty cool. I never tried that before. I got hit by a paintball gun, man. Those hurt. But where are the fishes? Let me see if that's one right there. I'm gonna scare it. Oh damn, there's a lot of red ants. Oh, a lot of ants. I ain't gonna try to get poked by those suckers. But I don't see no more jumping. But oh yeah, I think I caught that one on. Oh, but the little tiny fishes is like little trouts or something. Oh, here comes the game warden. Come and check up on me. I ain't fishing. I'm just looking. Watch I get a ticket for standing here. Crazy. But anyways, you guys, I'm out of here. I'm going home. I have to go take my little girl, go get some shoes and get ready for her first soccer practice. I guess my wife's not going to California after all because she has to take her to the soccer practice. But anyways, you guys, keep on fishing, never stop. And you know, this is what I want to do to you guys, man. You know, send me your guys' videos and I'll post them in my channel. How about that? Just put it on keeponfishing509@gmail.com. Send me your videos and I will post up on my channel. That's if you guys want, you know. And then I'll post it up. Oh, you seen that? Tiny one. So there you go. I'm out. Peace, you guys. Take care. Be safe. Dude, I was lucky. There's a snake. Get out of here. Look at that. It's black with yellow stripes. I don't know what the heck are those, but I ain't crossing over there. I don't want to get bit. All right.